Like, comment, subscribe. I'm singing because of copyright. Like, comment, subscribe. Take Koolie. Hey, verify, because I'm verified in real life. Shout out Fashion Over Men's. But alright, we got that pack in from Lace Lab. Let's go ahead and open this guy up. See what we got from Lace Lab. Lace Lab, man, they have so much on their website. Make sure y'all check them out. Like, all kinds of laces. Like, I'm gonna show y'all what I got, but they got all kinds of laces. Flat laces, wax laces, round laces, anything you could think of. Off-white, reflective. So here goes my purple off-white editions, shoelaces. Loving them. On the back, it even tells you how to lace your shoes. Amazing that they do that, because I know a lot of people don't know what they're doing. But this is amazing. They're taking, they're really showing you what to do with their stuff. Then we got some reflective whites. That's reflective, y'all. And then we got some reflective reds. They've also gone ahead and sent me their Lace Lab sticker. Shout out to Lace Lab. I'm loving it. I'm also going to get y'all a part 2 of this where I show y'all how to lace up a shoe using one of these Lace Labs laces. So let's get that popping. Lace Lab, shout out to y'all. Thank y'all so much. Quick shipping. I love it. Thank you, Lace Lab. Now we smoking, y'all. Big DD. You say what? Big DD. Big? Back to the smoke box. I was about to say, you gotta show the ashtray. Amazon, pay for this plug-in right here. This is fire. Okay. I just did. Boom! Alright, let me get in my own video. That's crazy. It's the sun though. The sun is really like working for the melanated folks right now. You know, I'm like. See, I'm definitely not angry. The sun is just fucking me up. So, how was your flight? Good flight. Now to show you how to use your Lace Labs sneaker laces in your brand new Air Force One. So I got me a fresh pair of whites. Look how crispy they are. Every side hitting, no blemishes, because I got to check before I leave the store. No blemishes, you feel me? Okay, here I'm just taking out the laces so I can go ahead and relace them with the new laces. We could just do this process, and then I'm going to go ahead and get back to y'all with the relacing process. Oh wow, my phone fell up. Now I gotta show you how to relace these bad boys. So you wanna go ahead and stick your laces in one side, stick them in the other, pull them up together, keep them even. You wanna pull until you get that silver piece up front. Make sure your Nike symbol is pointing forward and sitting properly. As you can see here, mine was backwards, so we gotta fix that. And this is how it looks with the new reflective laces on it, all laced up and ready to go. Here goes the before and the after, so you can see the difference in the laces and my lace work versus the laces that came with the shoe. Start my own video off. All right, Drew's gonna be opening his package from Dope Dilla. He doesn't know what's inside. He's about to be real surprised.
All right, let's do this.
Yeah, good packaging.
What? This is dope. You already know. Let's see what else we got. We got ashtray from the Rams, my favorite team. Tay knows what's up. Good looking out. We got a stash jar. Same thing, Rams. So, last but not least,
Customized, one of one.
This is dope. Check that out. One of one, mine only. Y'all can't have this. Thanks, Tay.
Like, comment, subscribe. I'm singing because of copyright. Like, comment, subscribe. Take Koolie.